Labo dokotela bathi sebakhathele kucilateka. Beme ngalelithi uhulumende waseMpumalanga uyehluleka kufeza tidzingo tabo njengobe bahlaselwa emsebentini baphindze basebente ema-awala amadze. Kanti-ke labanye bathi basengawutfola umsebenti kulandzela ukuthi bathole kuceceshwa emaveni lafaka ekhatsi iRussia kanye neCuba.
I just recently finished my ComServe and I'm stuck at home unemployed because the government can't hire doctors for some reason. They're talking about budget constraints.
So we came here today to say we cannot go to private minister, we cannot go to overseas. We want to be employed because we studied 7 years, we practiced 2 years internship, we practiced 1 year of community service at the end in order to be able to serve our communities.
Kusenjalo hulumende uthembisile ukuthi utatibuka letikhalo.
Issues they've raised, some are quite genuine. Obviously the resources is always the impediments at all levels. But we'll attend some of the issues, I suppose, after we shall look at the memorandum.
We have set aside a budget to employ 25 of them out of the 58 that are still going to, some have completed and some are still going to complete. So we have engaged them, we have sat down with them in terms of what are we going to do. But we must indicate that the austerity measures that are there in government make us to be difficult for us to employ more doctors.
Lo mshuqo uthole kusekelwa yiCOSATU, SACP, DINOSA, neHAWU kanye nelusha lwe-ANC. Etindzabeni tetfu ku Channel 163 lotilethelwa yiNewsroom Africa, ngingumweli Masilela, eMbombela, eMpumalanga.